Early in the morning at Cyberjaya, a contractor team arrived on site for an important TNB power supply cable installation project. Their task was to cut across the road to prepare a trench for the new underground main power cables. At first glance, the road looked normal, but once cutting started, the team quickly realized this asphalt surface was much harder than usual. The asphalt contained a high amount of granite stones, making the surface extremely aggressive on diamond blades. In the past, the contractor had used cheaper blades for similar jobs. Those blades often produced heavy sparks, struggled to penetrate the surface, and caused strong vibration during cutting. This time, the contractor decided to use the COOLMAN 14-inch Endura laser welded blade with 15mm segment height, laser welded segments, and undercut protection technology. The blade was mounted on a Hisaki walk behind saw, powered by a 13 horsepower Honda GX 390 gasoline engine. However, the machine itself was already more than 3 years old. To protect both the machine and blade while handling the hard asphalt condition, the contractor chose a safer cutting method, cutting layer by layer instead of forcing deep cuts immediately. With sufficient water supplied continuously for cooling, the Endura blade started cutting smoothly into the hard surface. The operator immediately noticed the difference. The blade maintained stable cutting performance without excessive sparks or aggressive vibration. Even under difficult conditions, the machine felt more comfortable and easier to control. The average cutting speed achieved was approximately 1 meter per minute, which was considered very good for such a hard asphalt condition. After successfully completing about 80 meters of asphalt cutting, the contractor continued into another challenging section. Grade 30 concrete, reinforced with 8mm steel rebar for approximately 8 meters. Again, the COOLMAN Endura continued cutting smoothly and steadily. After the project was completed, the contractor shared his feedback. He said, "This Endura blade cuts very smoothly. The cheap blades we used before always spark and struggle badly on this kind of hard surface. But this blade is stable, easier to control, and much better for the machine." For contractors, smooth cutting means more than just speed. It means lower machine stress, safer operation, better cutting stability, and higher confidence on site. On this Cyberjaya TNB cable installation project, the COOLMAN Endura once again proved itself as a reliable solution for both asphalt and reinforced concrete cutting applications.